Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to make rose flower from organdy cloth. So please don't skip the video and watch the video till the end. Firstly, gather organdy cloth in your desired color, scissors, wire, a floral stamp and hot glue gun. Now in second step, for cutting the petals, cut several shaped petals from the organdy cloth, gradually decreasing in size. For shaping petals, gently curl the edges of each petal using your fingers or a round object like a pencil to give them a natural curve. Now for creating the stem, I don't have thick wire, so I use broomsticks and roll the green wool over the sticks. Insert the stem into the base of the rose and secure it. For forming the center of the rose, cut the small part of the organdy cloth and scrunch it up to form the center of the rose. In next step, for assembling the petals, start with the smallest petal and wrap it around the center. You can use hot glue to secure it. Layer larger petals around the center, slightly overlapping each one and securing them. Now for finishing touches, adjust the petals as needed to create a natural looking rose shape. Optionally add leaves of green organdy cloth around the base of the rose for added realism. By following these detailed steps for assembling the flower layers, you can create organdy cloth flowers that are not only beautiful but also durable and long lasting. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.